任何音响系统首先输入的都是电，电流经过整个系统，最终产生驱动扬声器单元的动能。所以我们所听到的都是由失电造成的，它是创造声音的原料。
Everybody here is watching you, 'cause you feel like home, you're like a dream come true.
V5 Sigmas 它实际上是一个比较功能全面的，为什么？你看啊，它有7个电源插座，而且它给你区分好了，红色的表示高电流，黑色的表示中低电流。什么意思？就是比如说你的有一些有源扬声器啊，你的那些功放啊、前后级啊这些后级用这边的。然后你如果是小电流的，比如说你的前级，比如说你的音源，比如说你的这个甚至是你的耳放都可以用这里。然后它就区分开来。那么 IsoTek 不一样的地方是，它这7个是用独立的一个清洁的这个模块，避免是什么呢？器材之间互相干扰，这点是很厉害的。然后你会发现它这里没有开关的，看到吧？这个是什么？这个是它的一个可以外接。如果你这个7个还不够，你可以再外接一个它的这个排插。你会发现这个上面没有开关的，看到吧？哎，它的开关在哪里？你猜猜看。
Exactly like we were before we realized we're a side of getting old that made us restless. It was just like a movie.
你看啊，它分得很详细。刚才我们看到背板上面是有高电流、中低电流。你看啊，这里来了。它这里的在底座的这个下面有2个 circuit break 断路器，这个16安培的就是给高电流输出的或者高功率的，这个10安培的就是给中低的，就是这个是管黑色的4个，这个是管高电流的3个，它就是这样的一个完全分开的这个设计，非常的人性化。
When you left me.
Can I know your reference system?
Yes, sure. I use a VPI HRX turntable,
turntable.
primarily. Aesthetics, phono.
Yeah.
I use Hellcrow. I use Gamut. And we also, we have many bits of electronics from exposure as a low end. We use KEF loudspeakers as well. I use some esoteric German loudspeakers called Clearlight Audio. But we have a variety of electronics in order that we can test our products at various price classes.
Okay.
So like the Polaris is tested on one system and then on the reference system.
Right.
And all of the products, so we can make sure that we're functioning adequately across the whole market.
Okay.
It's hard to admit that everything just takes me back to when you.
我没有用过 IsoTek 的产品，但是我知道他们非常的有名。我一直想问他们的主持人 Keith Martin 先生，他们的产品到底和比如说 PS Audio 或者是金嗓子的电源处理产品有什么差别呢？ What makes your top line product was Super Titan? What makes it so different from the other companies' products, such as, let's give your name, PS Audio and AccuFast? You have power conditioner. What is your...
That whole concept came because I was so bored at CES show in Las Vegas.
Okay.
And I was standing on the booth and I'm thinking, we need to do something incredible. We need to take power into a higher category. And we were actually the first to do these big box products.
Okay.
I believe. No one had done, and I don't believe anyone has actually done to date, a 32 amp high current power cleaning system that's capable of running at 8,000 watts continuously if you put in a 32 amp feed. And we did it so that big monoblocks that I was seeing around CES could really have clean power with absolute current, absolute amperage and a dynamic range. So that's what inspired me to come up with that concept. Nigel at the time thought I was mad, but we did it.
我们现在让 Keith 来帮我们拆这台叫 V5 Sigmas， 然后这台机器为什么要拆不同的？他跟我讲这里面不一样，因为一台是给刚才他讲的像后级啊这些，这台是给中小电流的，比如合并器。然后你可以想象得出，而且这里面是你看到背后是有7个插头，这7个插头是不一样的，所以他说一定要拆下来给我看一看。他说你看到的里面的东西是不一样的。
Well, you can see, you remember in the Titan we had a very large...
RCBOs.
No, the big choke system at the back. This is a smaller version of that for the Earthline as well here. And this uses like half a kind of Titan circuit. We call the Titan's technology direct couple design because it electrically directly couples to the amp from the incoming supply. So this area here is dealing with these 3 output sockets which are for high current. And then you'll notice that this area here is for the source components, completely different components and so on and so forth. Again, a protection system in here. Many of the components are smaller ones you can't actually see. Unfortunately. And we do this because of mechanical performance. We don't want things vibrating. And you will notice that every single output socket's got its own dedicated clean power network. And these are fed through here. So it's power cleaning on top of power cleaning, but at the final stage, each output has got its own dedicated clean power line.
Interfere each
so
other.
This socket doesn't see this socket. You see, none of them are connected together directly, and that's critical for performance, we feel. Again, we've got a 2 thermomagnetic fusing this time, one for the high current and one for the medium.
This is for the, I think, 16 and 10. Okay,
correct.
Show me how to do that. Do you think that your product, especially your power conditioner regenerator, you have a lifespan? I mean, does it need any recap or maintenance, or it can be used all the way?
Well, as long as it's treated correctly and used correctly, and the wattage output is respected, and you don't try and put a big power amp on it, it should last 10 more years before servicing. I've had one in my system now for over 10 years, worked continuously every day, no problems whatsoever. So my personal experience is reliable. To believe sometimes. You know, when you do something right, people don't believe you.
Where can I buy this one?
I was hoping you were going to say, where can I buy this one? It's been a great privilege to visit Beats and Views and share my experience of IsoTek with this group, real professionals. Pleasure to have this platform to speak to you all from.